Yema obibia Africia passe nyankopon obo ade bosro ne asase no wahwe yeso a odi etwa afia attention TV ahwefo ye nyina ye ho ambasama ye gusua ewura afin ye do obo ade ase papa Queen University Foundation for so obibia Africia pa ne adwuma mobo editor na chi attention TV so obibia Africia pa na emu afi be ko na wie ye ensa na se drinks de ye bennum bi ago ye bo adwudwu ye bo je se ensa ne de edoso na so ensa na enam kroma na se eba na ya ho bi kra na ya werho food and drug board for etuom ho agu kroma mo ye adwuma pa bo ye ho ban se ye behwe ensa na se enduane a eba eye kroma na se afiwe na se bronya mu no enti omo hwe se ensa boni bia emma kroma omo tuom ugu kroma ensa ye papa ensa ye yes sir ensa omunsanim drinks omunsanim aba bontin a edi enya utimi hu nsani bia ya ye ni se kokokokokokoko jese kala nko a champagne sahodro ensa no odin ni nyina guinness ni ade ni nyina snap nyina san crofo boni bi ehye baabi ena omo so eye bidiguma eye food and drug board for etwetwa san ne ma nyina fake ni original nyina omo dia betu janti se afi se utukrum ana se ukokrum na se utonsa ana se bibi dia bafie wabusua na se umpe yare ana so ye ne bi meto a na wahwe ho ne omo de to fake ni original nyina na wafi wani ye na wo so wahwe me so ye hwe ne a omo wode mayen.
Yeah, hands up there. Check it. Hold on. Take him.
Look at this one. Says
remember.
You can see behind me everywhere, the whole of this section of the market, every shop you see here is a factory. Every single shop you see is a factory. And then everybody is manufacturing products. Number one, there are two sets of illegality going on here. Some set of people are manufacturing products of other people in large quantity. So much so that the other people might not even know the difference between their product and the one that is manufactured here. Manufacturing under a very bad environment, poor GMP, using banned chemicals, colorings, with the raw materials we saw the other time. All they do is just get a rubber, a mixer. So then use just this normal sieve to just sieve and put into bottles for people to drink. But my fear is that this is Utah period. A lot of people have bought drinks in the house. You don't even know where the source of the drinks you have bought. We've had a high level of increase in renal failure, kidney failure, and all of that. And some of them are major result of this poisonous things that people are taking in.
Dasi biem se oje bread twen me so hwa ho so ye na afiwe mu ensa eba na no ode me so wuto a na wato nsansa na ye kokokoko kala nko ahodin bia eni me so fa bro be hye fridge mu na blend na chim na fama mba no so bolo wankasa no a ema no yankse ye no a yen so no so e fa hye fridge mu ema ye nkola ne ankofa ayamuka bia amfa mre ye ma na no so ansa ankoye hospital ka me dasi se oje bread twen akra